How to find Discord ID on Android 2023. Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to find Discord ID on Android 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, let's head over again to your Discord. And once you have done that, you can just click on this profile icon at the bottom right here. And then from in there, just scroll down until you reach Advanced or Behavior. So click on that. And then from in there, you can see developer mode. So enable developer mode right here. Now, once you have enabled that, you can just head over to your server right here. So let's head over to your server. And then in here, you can see chats. So from in there, just click on the profile icon of the person that you want to copy the Discord ID to. And then once you have opened this right here, what you can do is just click on these three dots right here. And from in there, you can see this copy user ID. So click on copy user ID right here. And once you have copied that, you can just paste it in here and you can now send it right to that person, or you can just add it to your notes. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to find Discord ID in Android 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.